Hi there. In this video, we will be learning how you can effectively increase your overall exposure, especially in crowded niches. Let us look at 5 tips in understanding how you can create the best tips by increasing exposure and awareness. This will help you effectively manage your time, plan work, and also work on your plan. These are some of the major tips that you can utilize in planning ahead and immediately begin connecting through the help of strategic brand initiatives. Let us look into the various ways you can increase your overall exposure with the help of crowded niches. 1. Offering deals and incentives. It is important to offer deals and incentives to keep your audience attracted and hooked to you. Brands can effectively change their positioning on the premium side of the market. There are brands that find it incredibly efficient, especially in targeting comparison shoppers with many price-sensitive customers. Brands also get a logo placement with the help of a sticky call to action and a link back to the main website. You can consider the incredible value of links with the help of high domain authority, which represents a significant opportunity that needs multiple layers of exposure. 2. Investing in link building. It is important to constantly keep investing in link building practices, as this can help yield greater business value. Many times you will get a mention on another website, and this is an opportunity for people to earn impressions to make people aware of your brand. Link building also gets a vast amount of technical SEO value, and search engines usually view links as the help of credibility and trust, especially from authoritative websites. 3. Trying out newsjacking. You might find it impossible in standing out with the help of the larger, more compelling stories which circulate on social media. The practice of capitalizing on the popularity of a particular news story and amplifying sales and marketing practices is called newsjacking. You need to make sure that your newsjacking practices can help in amplifying your own sales and marketing. Building experience. Taking social responsibility. 4. Build an experience. You can have millennials and you can use the same marketing strategies and cross your fingers expecting them to work. Marketplace suffers from a similar kind of advertising fatigue, which helps to be exposed to messages on a daily basis. Millennials are also unique and incredible, as they're less interested than ever to purchase cars. You need to cater to content based on the niche that they follow, such as travel, music festivals, and social causes. 5. Taking the social responsibility angle. People always need to feel like they are working with brands that are authentic and worthy of their dollars. One of the best ways to do this is to work with brands that they feel are much more authentic and worthy of their dollars. This will help you in adapting to a social responsibility angle that appeals to the marketplace's complete desire to be a part of the entire experience. You can simply also donate $1 towards a more noble and charitable cost. The best way to rise above is with the help of a social responsibility angle which appeals to the desire of the marketplace to be part of a greater experience. This is great as you can create and market to the best of your abilities to make sure that the social responsibility angle is amazing. In conclusion, this is great as you can increase your overall exposure, especially in niches which are more crowded more than usual. This will help you stay above the competition with the help of these tips to effectively improve your overall exposure in the most crowded niches. We hope you found these tips informative in maximizing the exposure of your business. We hope you found this video informative in understanding how to create the best business, especially with a crowded niche. Good luck and thanks for listening.